How to make your own lash shampoo for under €3. You'll need Johnson's baby shampoo, baking powder, distilled water. Then you need to get pump bottles. I got these from Amazon, a little gift bag and a spoolie. You need a measuring jug that holds up to at least 100 ml of water. Then you're going to fill your pump bottle with 50 ml of water plus 25 ml of baby shampoo and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I recommend putting 50 ml of water into the measuring jug first, then filling the 25 ml of shampoo second so it sits on top of the water so it's easier to get out of the measuring jug at the end of the day. Then pour this into your pump action bottle, put the baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder in on top. This is going to cause a fizzing action, and so when you put the pump top in, it's going to overflow a bit and you just have to clean off the sides. The stickers you can get from Vistaprint or anywhere else. I just got my business name on them. You get your business name on them, whatever you want. Make sure that they're plastic so they're easily able to wipe down. And then you just pump it out. So this can be used for lash extensions or eyebrow lamination. And you can give it to your customers as a gift. Or you can charge. So all of this all together came in at about €2.80 per bottle for me. You should be able to get the same value for yourself. What I will add is if you want to sell cosmetics in Ireland, they will have to be regulated by the EU and they'll have to sign up to certain EU regulations. So if you give this as a gift to your client, you won't have to go through the whole certification process. So give it as a gift to your client and add in the price onto your treatment. That's my recommendations. I'm Sarah Naylor. If you need help building your beauty business, reach out to me, Sarah Naylor at sarahnayloracademy.ie or text me 086 86 51 681. It's my mission to help you earn your money and start your very own beauty business in a box.